In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a KPI-style dashboard in Tableau. Our goal is to simplify complex data into key performance indicators that are easy to read and interpret. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you have the latest version for optimal performance. Once the app is open, access your worksheet where you'll be building your dashboard. Now let's start by creating some calculated fields. Begin by right-clicking on the customer ID in the data pane. Navigate to the Create option, and from there, select Calculated Field. A dialog box will appear. Name this field Number of Customers. Input your formula into the editor and click OK to save it. This calculated field will help us visualize the total number of customers we have. Next, perform a similar action with Order ID. Right-click, again go to Create, and select Calculated Field. This time, name it Number of Orders. Enter your desired calculation and confirm by clicking OK. This will provide insights into how many orders have been placed. Now it's time to bring these calculated fields into the visualization. Drag the Number of Customers field onto the text shelf in the Marks card. Once it's there, click on the text option in the Marks card to customize the appearance. You can adjust the font size to make it visually prominent, ensuring it's noticeable in your dashboard. Next, let's do the same for Number of Orders. Drag it onto your view to add it to the visualization. After placing it, refine the text by clicking on it, removing any unnecessary fields, and then inserting the measure values you need to display. Hold down the Ctrl key and drag measure names onto text. This simple move allows you to list out multiple measures in a single text element, giving a better overview at a glance. With that set up, go ahead and click Text again and make any additional formatting adjustments needed to ensure clarity and aesthetic appeal. Now, to further optimize your layout, drag measure names from the rows shelf over to columns. The visual layout in columns often makes the dashboard more readable. Once done, right-click the header and deselect the Show Header option to streamline the appearance. Finally, you can enhance your dashboard further by dragging additional fields like sales, profit, or quantity into the view. This will populate your dashboard with more detailed information. Like earlier steps, take the time to edit the text where necessary to keep everything aligned and visually appealing. These enhancements contribute to making the dashboard more comprehensive and insightful. With these steps, you now have a fully fledged KPI dashboard in Tableau that provides key insights at a glance. Thanks for following along, and I hope your new dashboard helps you visualize your data effectively.